Good morning all. This is Friday the 24th of April, so we're well and truly in lockdown, but I have to go into work for a few hours and sort some stuff out. So what better time than ever to talk about this bloody DJI Osmo that I've got Action. I have been watching a lot of YouTube videos. Some of my favourite sort of big YouTubers that deal with motorbikes seem to be using GoPro, the Hero 7 Black or the Hero 8 Black, and when they're flying along the road at 60, 70 mile an hour, because us motorcyclists never speed, their sound when they're talking is still lovely and clear. And as I'm about to demonstrate in this run into work, which is about 12 miles, just at the south side of Glasgow, when I'm on the motorway or going at any speed, the voice audio becomes crackled and distorted. There doesn't seem to be any sort of compression or any automatic adjustment. And I've not heard that from any of the guys that's using the likes of the Drift Ghost HD or the GoPros, who seem to have clear audio. So it's a DJI Osmo Action. The camera's amazing in terms of picture quality, and the rock steady stabilisation is fantastic, as you probably tell from this video, because you can see the bike bouncing up and down as we ride along the bumps, and the horizon's lovely and stable, so it gives that sort of weird impression like it's on a gimbal. Even when cornering, the horizon seems to stay pretty steady. I've got a little test video that I put on YouTube. It's only about 20 seconds long if you watch that. I come off the motorway into quite a sharp left-hander, and then there's a little S-bend, a little left, right, left, and you can see the bike leaning over, but the horizon stays absolutely steady, which is brilliant. It looks weird. It's like there's a camera floating alongside me. But anyway, so the picture quality is great. There's no complaints with that. There's no complaint. The screen's great. The fact that it's got a front screen's great, which obviously helps if you're doing any selfie vlogging stuff. But the audio is crap. And obviously I'm trying to, or I want to build a channel, and one of the important factors of being a moto vlogger is being able to talk to people that might potentially watch the videos. And that's the whole idea. So if the audio is really bad and crackling and difficult to listen to, then people don't want to watch. So I'm sitting at 30 mile an hour, which is the speed limit here, which Mr. Focus there doesn't realise. And so this is a test. I'm going to just keep talking away, because obviously I want to watch this back myself. And now, even if the audio is shit at speed, I'm still going to put it on YouTube, because I want other potential DJI Osmo Action buyers to see this, you know. I mean, I've got no subscribers, so I've only got 14, that's pretty crap, I get that, but maybe if I plonk it on Facebook, people that's interested in buying a camera can see this. Look at the speed of that van. I'm sitting at the speed limit and I've been passed by that van as if I wasn't moving. Fucking idiot. Anyway, not my concern. £1.7 for a litre of unleaded, that's brilliant, isn't it? So I will be going onto the motorway in a matter of a minute or so, once I get by this roundabout. And that's really going to be the big tell in terms of audio quality and what it's going to be like. And if you don't recognise the bike, it's a Suzuki Hayabusa 2010 model. And if you look at any of my other videos, you'll see a Ryder Honda Deauville 650, an old one which I bought simply for commuting, but it currently has a seal away in the front near side fork leg, so that's currently in the garage and it's stuck in there because we're in lockdown. And my Busa had its major service about 6 weeks ago, which was valve adjustments and etc., which is due at 24,000 miles. So here we go, onto the motorway. I'll get up to the speed limit and we'll see what the audio quality is like. So there we go. Now I'm trying to be aware of how loud I'm talking. Obviously there's a lot of wind noise etc, so the tendency is to speak louder, but trying not to, just in case that's the problem. But if my voice is completely garbled and difficult to hear, then it doesn't make for good viewing. See you later. So my day's done. It's 3:10. Not so bad. Everything organised for the weekend. Oh, my arse is roasting. I don't know how warm it is out there, but by God, I'm cooking. I'm glad I took the thermals out this morning. Well, I can at least enjoy my slightly boring run along the motorway. It's not what you would call exciting, but it gets me out on the bike. I can't really have an excuse of taking the long road home. I'm fairly sure that would be breaking. Plonker. My God, it's busy. I'm sure there's meant to be a lockdown on here. Oh, my arse is burning. This is bad. I don't like heat. Oh my God. Plenty of bikes today. Anyway, so on the way in I had my rant about the Osmo Action and what I would consider some serious audio issues. And now I can talk about this wonderful bike, which I absolutely love. My baby. I don't suppose there's much point in talking a lot tonight because Home sweet home. I wish I could stay out my bike, but I can't, so oh well. We are locked down. That's me. I am away to enjoy the rest of the day, stuck in my flat. Nice bike. Right, get keys. There we go. Right, folks. Adios.